Best LLC services to start your business. Starting a business is exciting, but choosing the right LLC service can be confusing. With so many companies promising the best prices and features, how do you know which one is actually worth your money? That's exactly why I created LLCguidance.com. At LLCguidance.com, you'll find detailed reviews, comparisons, and step-by-step guides to help you choose the best LLC service for your business. Whether you're starting your very first company or launching another business, the website makes it easy to compare the top providers in one place. You'll find reviews of popular LLC services like BuyZ, Zen Business, Registered Agents Incorporated, Doula, LegalZoom, Business Rocket, and many more. Each review covers important factors such as pricing, features, customer support, registered agent services, turnaround times, and who each company is best for. Instead of spending hours searching through dozens of websites, you can compare everything in one place and make a confident decision. The site also includes helpful guides on topics like how to start an LLC, choosing the right state, business licenses, registered agents, EINs, operating agreements, and other resources that new business owners need. No matter if you're starting an online business, consulting company, real estate business, e-commerce store, YouTube business, or another type of company, choosing the right LLC service can save you time, money, and unnecessary headaches. So before you form your LLC, make sure you compare the best options first. Click the link in the video description below to visit LLCguidance.com and discover the best LLC companies for your business. You'll find honest reviews, helpful comparisons, and guides designed to help entrepreneurs make the right choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's planning to start a business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.